For our main part of the recipe, which is the pudding, all you need are chia seeds, black or white, and almond milk. I used sweetened vanilla. Firstly, you add 1 cup of almond milk to each glass or mason jar that you have. Then add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into each glass.
That's good.
Then you stir it up so there's no chunks of chia seeds stuck together. You then cover and refrigerate for a few hours to allow the mixture to thicken. After a few hours, the consistency of your pudding should look like this. It'll be smooth and very gel-like. After this step, you can use any toppings you like. Layer banana, strawberries, oats, honey or agave, garnish with a banana and some cinnamon. And there we have it, guys. Perfect for a sweet tooth, but still really healthy.